Hello everyone, I'm Sonali and welcome to my channel Aesthetic World with Sonali. Today we are going to see how to make this Dreamcatcher. So before starting this video, let's see today's quote. When an idea that is new or different comes into your mind, you might think of it as a tiny seedling that is just breaking through the soil. You can be the gardener of such new ideas, nurturing them and encouraging them to develop. We are going to need a circular ring, wool, thread, pearls, and some feathers.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle. Need a miracle. Oh, you open up a world behind the stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no
Mark 8 points as shown and sew the thread along those points as followed.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours.
At the end of the string, tie two feathers like this and then put a pearl as shown.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I
Now do the same thing just above the feathers on the string. Make 5 strings like this, 2 with 1 set of feathers, 2 with 2 set of feathers and 1 with 3 set of feathers.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle.
And your dream catcher is done. If you tend to make this dream catcher, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment down your thoughts. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be creative, be kind. Bye.